within about 6 months, I think my turnover has gone up about £7,000 a quarter. The profit, not just the turnover, I would say we're making another 7,000 every 3 months.
You know, we're one of the oldest users of the DryStream system, and we wouldn't have anything else.
It's a brilliant system. We couldn't have done what we did without it, expand the business at the speed we have.
And it gives us basically from A to Z to whatever that we need for the business to be really sort of efficiently and successfully running. So we are very, very pleased.
Well, DryStream is such a brilliant system that basically I use it for my dry cleaning system. It helps me keep a track of my stock. Because at the end of the day, when the tickets come out, customers are more satisfied. They know exactly what they're getting charged for with a breakdown, and it's brilliant that they're happy with the way the service is provided through the system.
It's given us the edge over the competition because they're all on ticket books. It's the best.
I'm Eddie from Connoisseurs, and we've been using DryStream right from the very beginning. It's efficient, trustworthy, and the staff are a pleasure to work with.
Is worth every penny. You will get your money back within 6 to 9 months, according to your turnover. But used properly, used wisely, and to its proper effect, you can't fail.
Thank you very much. That's why we've chosen the DryStream to be at our second branch in the Mill Hill.